Hey guys, I'm 60secondSteve. This is the Osmo Pro combo. Let's get it unboxed. First thing, high capacity battery. Get it out of the box. I do like DJI packaging. Silica gel. Instructions. One high capacity battery. The Osmo Pro comes with 4 high capacity batteries. Next thing, let's have a look at the Flexi mic. One Flexi mic, universal mount. That is really good quality. There's the universal mount. Let's open up next the mobile phone holder. Really good quality, that is. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Let's open up the quad charging system. It won't come out. Come on, come on, come on. Instructions. Who reads them? We're guys. Guys don't read instructions. Quad charger. Done. Power brick. Charging adapter for the quad charger. One power brick. Job's a good one. Next, let's get to the saucy stuff. Osmo Handle. DJI Osmo Handle. Nice little wrist lanyard. Some lovely DJI silica gel. Instructions. Okay, next we've got the Osmo X5 Adapter. This is the adapter that allows the Osmo Handle to work in conjunction with the X5 camera. That's the DJI X5 Osmo Handle adapter. Some more instructions. And the pièce de résistance. This is the Zenmuse X5 camera. Let's go steady with this one. So it comes in a plastic case. Okay. More instructions. Oh, there is one DJI X5 camera. Ooh. Wow, that's nice, that is. Very nice, very heavy. Didn't really expect it to be so heavy. And there we have it. There's some lens covers. And one more thing that you get with the Osmo kit is the Osmo case. Got the case here. Oh, it's a big thing. Oh. Similar to a Pally case, if not made by Pally, is the DJI Osmo Pro case. Let's get it put together. Okay, so there you have it. That is the Osmo Pro setup. DJI's universal handle, X5 adapter, and there's the X5 camera, mobile phone holder. Take the lens cap off, and I believe that I might be able to power this up. And there you have it, folks. One DJI Osmo Pro kit with the X5 adapter and the X5 camera. Thanks for watching.